The first tool you're going to need to graph the circle is the midpoint formula, which is this. The midpoint is x1 plus x2 over 2, y1 plus y2 over 2. Now, any point is going to have an x and a y coordinate. So let's take a sample point. Let's say that point 1 has the coordinates -3, -2, and point 2 has the coordinates 5, 4. Just so we can see what those look like. If this was our graph, y-axis, x-axis, for point 1, it would be -3, 1, 2, -3 on the x-axis, -2 on the y-axis, -2, so our point would be around here. And for point 2, that would be 5 on the x-axis, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the y-coordinate would be 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, so 5, 4 would be about there. And let's say we have a line connecting these 2 points. This is point 5, 4, and this is point -3, -2. And we want to know what's the midpoint of this line. What's the point which is equidistant from both of the ends? So let's use the midpoint formula. Well, x in the first point, or x sub 1, is -3, and x in the second point, x sub 2, is going to be 5. So that's -3 plus 5 over 2. And then for the y-coordinate, we have in point 1 a -2, and we're going to add that to the y-coordinate in point 2, which is 4. And we're going to divide that by 2 as well. So -3 plus 5 is the same as 5 minus 3, which gives us 2, over 2, which is 1. And -2 plus 4 is the same as 4 minus 2, which will give us a 2 over 2, which is 1. So our midpoint over here is going to have the coordinates 1, 1. And it really doesn't matter which one you choose as point 1. We could have done it in the reverse order. We could have made this one point 2 and this one point 1. And if we set it up like that, we would have point 1, 5, plus point 2's x, which would be plus -3 over 2. And then we would have 4 as the y-coordinate. We'd be adding that to this y-coordinate, plus -2 over 2. And 5 plus -3 would give us a 2 over 2. And 4 plus -2 would give us, again, a 2 over 2. So it doesn't really matter which point that you're given you choose to be point number 1 or point number 2. You just have to be consistent. Once you've decided that one of the points is point 1, choose your x sub 1 from there and your y sub 1 from there. And if you've decided that the other one is point 2, then your x sub 2 and y sub 2 will be taken from there. But this is the midpoint formula, and it always works.